Hey, how's it going? So I have another box of 2019 Bowman Chrome Baseball HTA. I'm going to go ahead and rip into this right now. There are 3 autograph cards per box. Pretty cool. Come in a little protector. Let's see what I got. By protector, I mean I think a 25 count hard plastic case. You'll see right now. Comes in this pack. Case is in here. Just a little extra puffy bit. Alright, see what I get. Wish me luck. Alright, up top, Austin Warner. It's like base. Alright, see what the next one is. It's that paper. Quintin Torres Costa. Looks like another base. And behind that, looks like a colored blue. Brian Abreu. Numbered 150, so straight blue. Number 71 to 150. Cool. Got some color. It's nice. My last box I got a similar blue, but can't remember what style it was. Definitely not the normal blue. There you go. Pretty cool looking cards, I have to say, in person. Nice and shiny. Refractor 150. So we got Brian Abreu. Torres Costa. And then Austin Warner. So there you go. Quick little one box break. 2019 Bowman Chrome HTA. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Peace.